How to change the activity status on TikTok. In today's video, I'm showing you how to enable or disable your activity status so that you and your followers know when you're online. Let's get started. Open the TikTok app. Access your profile by clicking on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now click on the three lines in the top right corner. Among the options provided, select Settings and Privacy. Click on the Privacy option. There you will find the option we need, which is Activity Status. By turning on this option, your followers will know when you are online. Similarly, you will also know when your followers are online. However, you will see each other's activity status only when both of you turn this option on. If you want to turn off this option, just click on the button next to it. Like the video if you enjoyed it and follow for more tutorials.